Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we would learn how to solve the practice problem mean. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. So in this question, we would be given a list, or we can say an array of numbers, for example 1, 2, 3 and 4. What do we need to do is we need to find mean. Okay, so mean is that I need to add all the numbers together and we need to divide it with the number, the number of total values. So that is 4. So this would be 3, 3, 6 and 10. So it would be 10 divided by 4, and then I need to calculate this to get my answer. So basically I need the sum of all the numbers divided by number. How many numbers do we have? So basically this is what do we mean by mean. So it is very easy. We would be applying a built-in function sum to calculate the sum of these numbers, which we would basically divide by n, that is the number of values in the array. So I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the solution part. So over here we need to go to the practice portal, and in difficulty I need to choose school, and in school I need to find the problem mean. Okay, so now once I have found it, I would open it. So basically let's read the question. Given the marks of n students in an array A, calculate the mean. Okay, if the result is a decimal value, find its floor value. Okay, so now let's do it. So I would code it over here. Okay, so let's do it. So basically first thing that I need to do is I would declare a variable answer equal to integer. Okay, answer equal to integer. First is I would be using the built-in function sum, right? Sum of what? Sum of capital A, right? Sum of capital A, which would be divided by n. N is number of values and A are all the elements. Okay. After this, I would just directly return with the value of answer. Okay. So this is how we calculate the mean. Now let's check if it is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. So I have clicked on compile and run. Let's wait. So it is compiled, and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem. So I have submitted it. Let's wait. So it is okay. So the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the question mean. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching it. Thank you.